Hello, everybody. Alexa, off. All right, so yeah, we're recording. Got an iPhone 11. We're gonna do a screen replacement over here. Just thought I'd throw something up. Throw something up online. Let you know what we got going on over here. So I already took the bottom screws off. Gave it a little bit of heat. This is an original screen, so the XR's got some pretty decent adhesive. Let's try our little slap daughter pod, iSlack. This screen is a little cracked. When the screen is cracked, usually don't go. This is not too bad. It's cracked, but not too bad there. So with this, you're able to get a slight pressure there, and it looks like it's coming. And it's going. Sometimes if you got too much of a crack on the screen, then it doesn't grab enough to be able to lift it off. But this one, you see gradually it's opening up. Where my pry tools. And it did its job pretty good. So from there, just gradually get the rest separated. So we got a lot of smash right up there where the cameras are and the sensors are. On the pre-check, the Face ID did not work, but hopefully it's just going to be a matter of all the shattered glass that's preventing a good read on the face. So we're hoping, yeah, hopefully it'll be working once we get that replaced. Once we get the screen replaced. So the 11 pretty straight up. Two plates. Got the battery connector plate, and then the LCD flex plate. And then we're gonna have the earpiece that needs to be swapped over. I believe all the screws on this 11 of all these plates, they're all the same. Yeah. So for once, Apple made it logical, simple. You know, they'll have a plate with 3 screws and have all 3 different sizes. I'm not an engineer, so maybe that's makes sense to an engineer, but damn. Not only that, but sometimes the actual, let's say the sizes do differ, but they will make the actual head different, right? Come on. On the earpiece, we do got 3 Phillips and 1 tri wing. This here's original, but that earpiece or that a flood sensor there came off was like loose right away. Maybe it has been changed. And normally we're going to heat it up, but as I took that little clip off, it just seemed to just come right off. Maybe from the smash. Yeah, it's like whole plastic is coming up all together. Yeah, so I'm going to heat it up because I do got this flood sensor is kind of stuck there. Heat that up, let the adhesive melt a little bit, make it a little bit easier, prevent any damage to the components there on the ear speaker flex. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to post something up, let you know what's going on. It's easier than ever to do a phone repair. If you go to our website, there's a column on the left, or if you're on your phone, you'll just have to scroll to it. Actually, I think it comes up first, and it's just basically the different options: screen replacement appointment, back glass appointment, battery appointment, phone diagnostic, computer diagnostic, and then just like none of the above other. So you can choose any service there. That's 24/7, and that comes into me. It prints out a sheet. It also sends me a text, and then if it's an appointment, it goes right to the calendar. If it's an estimate or something like that, or a question, just submit it any time of the day, and I'll get to it. Usually I'll respond. If it's within working hours, usually 2 to 4 hours. If it's after hours, it's going to be the next 2 to 4 hours after the next opening time frame. So I'm going to wrap it up with that. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.